Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crypto Beginner. Let's start the day off with a good news. And as we can see, breaking and exclusive news is top government sources on cryptocurrency regulation. There is no ban on crypto. A regulation mechanism will be in place so that it's not misused. So it was a FUD or a misinterpretation of news which we had yesterday. I'll just go through the news once and we can analyze what the news was. Now let's see what the news was. The bill seeks to create facilitative framework for the creation of official digital cryptocurrency to be used by the Reserve Bank. It also seeks to prohibit all the private cryptocurrencies. Remember this word, private cryptocurrencies in India. However, it allows a certain exception to promote underlying technology of cryptocurrencies and its users. Now let's see what are private cryptocurrencies. So what is private cryptocurrency mentioned in the bills? That is $1 million question on everybody's lips. Yes, even we want to know what private cryptocurrency means. No such term as private cryptocurrency exists in technical sense. Take the case of Ethereum and Bitcoin, the currencies with the highest market value and with the most name recognition across the globe. Both the cryptocurrency operations on a public ledger, where anybody can participate with all transaction details, although the wallet address are pseudonymous in public domain. Do they qualify as private cryptocurrency, or does the center actually mean cryptocurrency like Zcash, which give you an option of complete anonymity to all the participant, or Monero, which stresses on private aspects of the transactions. So this cryptocurrencies will hide everything and they will make your transactions. Now, targeting projects like Facebook currency Dime, uh, which operates on permissioned blockchain and which is selective in its choice of participant via KYC. A private currency in every sense of the term. Or will the center go to the other extreme, banning every cryptocurrency in the market as they can all qualify private in some sense of the term, and paving the way for just for government controlled central banking CDBC in the play. So as of now, private cryptocurrency we mean from that is as which we have come to a conclusion rather mean that a private cryptocurrency will be the one which hides everything, all the transaction details from which wallet to which wallet it is going, and which wallet, how many currency, how much quantity of currency is available. So that could be a private cryptocurrency in the sense of government. So we should not panic. Let's just wait till the winter session gets in, which is starting from 29th November. So do not sell. Market is going up in USDT, as you can see in any of your apps which you are using. When you see the market in INR, it is below 20%. It was below 20%. It has gone down almost 25%. But in USDT, it was just gone 3 to 4%. It was due to the selling pressure of the news through which it came in. So don't panic. Just keep a look at the news every time. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe.